Whether it's sirens or unexpected loud noises outside, your partner snoring, or neighbors shuffling around upstairs, there are many distractions that can lead to you not sleeping well. When shopping for a white noise machine, Karina Bookard, sleep expert and board advisor at Dozy Sleep, says it's important to consider sound options, button style, convenience and portability, timers, and looking for one that comes with an audio jack in case your partner doesn't want to listen to white noise. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 white noise machines on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Homedics Sound Sleep White Noise Sound Machine. If you're looking for a good night's sleep on a budget, you can't go wrong with the Homedics Sound Spa. This compact machine is super easy to use, with no complicated menus or settings, which is one of its big plus points. It can also run off electricity or 4 AA batteries, which, when coupled with its lightweight design and small size, makes it a good choice for travelers. While it's not the prettiest machine out there, we're willing to sacrifice some style for the affordable price. The Sound Spa only has 6 sound options: white noise, thunder, summer night, ocean, brook, and rain. While the speaker does a pretty good job of covering noise overall, and each sound is distinct, you won't find the same sound quality as a more expensive machine. However, the volume is controllable, and it does have a timer for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or you can leave it on all night. Number 2. Yoga Sleep Roam Portable White Noise Sound Machine. The Yoga Sleep Roam only comes with 3 sound options: bright white noise, deep white noise, and gentle surf. But if you know white noise is what helps you to sleep, you likely won't be looking for a machine with a vast number of fancy sound options. The available sounds are good quality with no obvious looping, so you won't be distracted, and the volume can be turned up pretty high to mask any unwanted sound. You can charge the Roam via USB. It takes 4 hours to fully charge and can run up to 8 hours on a full charge, so will need charging every day if you play it all night. It doesn't come with many bells or whistles and doesn't have a timer. It's super portable. The machine is very lightweight and compact, and also comes with a lanyard so you can hang it on cots, infant car seats, or door handles. Number 3. Reacher R2 White Noise Sound Machine. The Reacher R2 may not be the prettiest white noise machine on our list or the highest quality, but it offers a large number of sound and light options for a very reasonable price. In total, there are an impressive 31 sounds to choose from, with no additional subscription needed to access them. You can choose from white, brown, or pink noise, 7 different fan sounds, plus 17 natural non-looping sounds, including thunderstorms, heartbeats, waves, or crickets, which all sound realistic. You can set both the sound and light through a timer to automatically switch off in 1, 2, or 3 hours. The light can be set on white, or switch to red, blue, yellow, pink, green, orange, or purple, so you can find which color works for you. It's easy to dim, so it's perfect to use as a night light for children or adults. Number 4. Lectrofan Evo Non-Looping Sleep Sound Machine. Our pick of the best white noise machine is the Lectrofan Evo. While it might not be the most technologically advanced gadget on our list, it still does everything you need it to, and then some, for a very reasonable price. It plays non-repeating digital noise in a range of colors. It has 10 fan sounds, 10 ambient noise sounds, including pink and brown noise, and 2 ocean soundscapes. The device is super simple to use, and once you've picked your favorite type of noise, it will be saved in the settings, and the machine will autoplay that sound each time you turn it on. The speaker produces a clear and crisp sound, and there's a wide volume range. It also comes with an optional timer you can set between 1 to 8 hours, or play continuously, plus a 3.5mm connector for headphones if your partner isn't quite as keen on white noise as you are. Number 5. DreamEgg D11 White Noise Machine. The affordable DreamEgg D11 can definitely be used as a white noise machine by adults but is geared toward babies and young children. It comes with 11 sound options, including lullaby, shushing, fetal tone, vacuum, music box, and a fairground sound. Unlike most white noise machines that have multiple white noise and fan options, the DreamEgg D11 only has one of each and also doesn't come with a rainfall sound, which is a popular option. The sound from the speaker is good quality, with realistic natural sounds, and can be turned up surprisingly loud as well. Although it can be left plugged in, It comes with a rechargeable internal battery, so is great for traveling and settling babies on the move. The small rope and plastic loop also means it can easily be attached to cribs and cots. Dimensions: 5.48 x 4.81 by 3.82 inches. Sound options: 16, timer, yes, power, battery. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.